Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com, making this video about pound index. Very interesting right now. I was expecting that it will make a turn from here 65, 68 to the downside, but it went up. And see this little TL here? It is hitting that TL and staying there. This is pound index monthly chart, by the way. Now, this is the weekly chart, same TL here. You can see a little bit more clarity here. We have this current week candle, just a small doji kind of thing. And the amount of, the size of the previous candle is also very small. That means the momentum is kind of dying out here, right around this TL. Now, if anything, if it goes to the upside, it may go to this 7082. But you see 7082, what it did to the price previously. So I'm pretty confident that this area is going to make a reversal. Based on this, now this is a weekly chart, so you just see this big wave here and then don't know what is happening, what kind of structure within that. So I have this chart here. And actually, I made this chart. Let me see. The one I made was on the 11th July. And it is like this. Wave 1, 2, and then wave 3. Just like I made the previous video and showed that we are underway, making this wave 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then now we're going for wave 5. Go. Here, this is how it is. This is how it finished. Wave 3, that's a Roman count, right? Wave 3, 4, 5 will finish wave 3, and then it's gonna come down for wave 4, and then we'll go for wave 5. I'm talking about the gold, but this is already happened here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, then ABC 4, and wave 5 into this area. So it was hitting the 69.82 when I made the chart on 11 July. As of today, it is still there at 69.42, I guess. Let me see, 69.82 or something. Well, let me see exactly. Yeah, probably 69 something is there, right? I can't read here. This is the area that I'm expecting a reversal. Based on what? Based on this phenomena here. This is how it goes. Elliott wave. Wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and after that, here comes wave 1, 2. I mean A, B, and C correction to 61%. So something like that, if you have wave starting from here and then ending somewhere here, what the heck happened to my fib? Let me grab the fib right there. Oh, I don't want this one. I want this one here. Okay, buddy. Okay. So now we go back. And now my fib will be fixed. And let's say if it goes 70.82 and then drop, then 61% is going to be right around here, right? So A, B, C correction, it could drop for like A and then B and then C into this area later on. Now, if this thing is dropping here, pound index, what will happen? All pound pair will go down except EG, because here in this pair, euro pound is on the right hand side and pound gets weaker, it will go up. This pair will go up. But other than that, all like pound yen, pound Aussie, pound USD, pound CAD, pound NUSI, pound franc, they're all going to be going down with this down move. So for several days, the price is still staying here, not going to the upside, means it's thinking about going to the downside. So let's see if I get lucky, right? So if as soon as it starts to make, like a reversal candle and start to drop here, I'll be watching on a small time frame, like 40-minute chart, and then basically I would probably watch out here on the 40-minute chart that if it's making a turn, and this is a 4-hour chart, regular chart, by the way, and this was the same count. We have got 2 and then 3 and 4 and then 5, and I'll be watching here for a down move. If that happens, all pound pair will go down and will start giving me short setups. And once I have those short setups, then I will take them blindly. Simple as that. Okay, so watch out for this pound index and pound pairs. They have a very big chance of coming down. So this is it for now. And don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you can get my videos on time and you can take advantage of those. Either Elliott wave count or money patterns, SNR level bounds, or whatever, TL bounds. When I find something, I'll try to make the video and send out. Thank God that I'm recovering now. A month-long sickness in June. The whole June I was on bed, and now I'm feeling much better and start to work again. Okay, so this is it for now. And like I said, that if you want to learn all of that mumbo jumbo, then you can go on my website here and sign up for one-on-one or whatever, monthly, weekly, whatever. There are different options there. So if you want to learn all of that, Elliott wave, harmonic pattern, all of that. All right, so this is it for now, and talk to you guys later.